Hi, everyone. This is Susan, and this is my first day of doing lives, and I've been driving myself crazy all morning, so bear with me. Between microphones, computers not working, and iPhones not working, I am now doing this through Riverside, so we're going to give them a try. I just did one through using StreamYard because I could not get the YouTube to work. So anyways, what we're going to be doing, hopefully, I'd like to do a live once a week to help everybody um, learn how to draw and maybe paint and just have some fun. So hang in there with me and stay tuned. I just put up a video yesterday on how to draw. And let's see, I can find a picture of her here somewhere. I have been doing a lot of drawing, a lot of messing around. Oh, here she is. So I put her up and it shows you exactly how to do it. And the thing is with faces, I've got to tell you a story. The first time I ever tried to do a face, I sucked. And then I was convinced I could not draw. And so what I did was in 2020, I took an online course from willowing.org, Tamara Laporte. And amazingly, I found out, they weren't masterpieces, but the progression was there and I got better with every one. And so the moral of the story, don't start drawing faces because you will become addicted. So I'll just show you here. I finally I started using photographs, and you can get them from unsplash.com and they're royalty free. So I'm just going to show you. This is a earlier one. And this is one of my earlier ones that I painted with watercolors. Yeah, not so great. And there's another one. So, and then I got a little better. You can see this. She's pretty good. I was happy with her. And here's another one. And this one actually I made into a big painting, and I sold it. Somebody liked it enough to buy it. Here's me experimenting with charcoals, which is really fun, a little messy, but fun. And here's a really weird one. So, and then there's a basic. Oh, we got some other stuff in here too. And here. And I like to add a little bit of watercolor to them. And here's the fun thing is practicing with eyes. Now, this is really important. The eyes are so important. I cannot begin to tell you. And here's one of my most recent. I just drew her. And then, I don't know if you can see it over here, but I transferred her to a big full sheet of hot press watercolor. So I will be working on her, and I might possibly do bits and pieces of it on the weekly live. So, so that'll kind of give you an idea. The painting you can see right behind me here, that I put up a video on my YouTube last week. And what she was is a acrylic based painting. And then I've gone over her with a layer of oils so far. And yeah, I think she's turning out pretty good actually. But here she is here. And I like the colors. It's turning out pretty good. So we'll be working on her as well. And So here's another one. This one was based off a Unsplash um, picture that I had. And this one also. And you can go to Unsplash and just download the photographs and use them. But if you do decide to do that, grab contrasty photographs, ones that have lots of lights and darks and shadows, because that gives you clearer contours when you start laying in your shading. And this one I really like. And she was from a picture from Unsplash also. This one turned out good. Ah, I can say so myself. And here is a sketch. I did her in pencil, and then I went and messed her all up yesterday with charcoal. So, yeah. So I want to get you guys. You're all of this. This is crazy. I want to get you guys revved up on how to do faces and the easy way to do faces. It's not that hard. It just takes practice and letting go of your beliefs. And, a belief is just a thought you keep thinking. And if you keep thinking that you cannot do something, and of course, you're going to believe that you can't do it. But I am going to prove that you can do it. So my girlfriend said to me one day, have you done a portrait of yourself? And I'm going, well, I got one around here somewhere and it's really bad. And so I pulled out a crazy picture of myself from 30 years ago. Well, more than 30 years ago. And I was horsing around. And so anyways, there's my self-portrait. Do I look alike? It was pretty crazy. So yeah, you can do this stuff. I like to make up girls. You can see this one here. She's kind of fun. And, it's the eyes and the lips that really make them stand out. Now, here's kind of a fun one. And I always tell people, nighttime, we have a tendency to sit on the couch and watch TV for hours on end. And, I want to sit with my husband and my pets. So this is when I do these. I sit there, I have one of those recliner couches, and I just draw. And that way it's so much easier. Here's another one. These these are simple. Once you learn the tricks, how to do it, it opens up a world. It just totally opens up a world, and my world got completely blasted into the atmosphere by learning this. And because I only ever did abstracts because I believed I could not draw. So that was my belief and I went with it. Even though I could draw flowers, I have some flower paintings that I've done. And I have a whole new world now, and it's really awesome. And I want to share that with you. So anyways, keep an eye out for my lives. And I hope to remember to do this. I was thinking either Monday or Tuesdays at 11 a.m. And I would love to hear from you guys if you would like to join. It's free. It's going to be on YouTube, and it'll probably pop up on my private Facebook channel. Whatever you call Facebook, I don't know. But yeah, I'm trying to get a community going on Facebook, and that's where you'd be able to show your art and share it with others. And I'll pop in and make comments. So that will be fun. I don't know. This is all new to me. Anyways, yeah. Thank you so much. If you have listened this far, I am going to remind you on my SusanHansonArt.com, which is my website. I'm having a giveaway, and it's for this month only so far. and I'm gonna be giving away a print of my, whatever print you choose or of my latest, one, which will be the oil over here. And, it's a giveaway worth $40, and, all you gotta do is sign up. And, there'll also be in the description down below, I'll have the link in there. So you can join my newsletter and get apprised of whenever I'm gonna do a giveaway. I do a giveaway a couple to 3 times a year, and, yeah, it'll be fun. So, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate that. And, yeah, so have a fabulous day, and hopefully this video turned out okay. I just feel crazy about this stuff. Anyways, go make some art. Okay, so stop and let's see